Top knives, I have reviewed them many times, have sent me a couple of things in a fan mail. So there's a Machete, but it looks like a really powerful Machete. Wow, I like the shape. Wow, that's a really thick Machete, high quality. There's a handle. I really love that little circle. Quite heavy Machete, so it'll be really easy to chop through some twigs and sticks. And I think it's made for even chopping firewood. It is very sharp. Wow, made in USA. Let's try it out and let's see what's in here. I enjoy top knives. I have reviewed many of them. There's a fixed blade over here. That's a very unique blade. Camp Creek. Ooh, really thick, incredibly comfortable. I do love the handle. Wow. It comes with the knife sheath right here and a really nice belt clip or whatever. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. Leather, so that way it can hang on easily. First we start with the twig like this. Wow, it's way better than one of those little hatchets. And look at these little twigs, super fast. That is so sharp. Another test, almost all the way through. 1, 2, and I'm holding it. 1, flip it over. Oh, missed it. 2. Used a lot of machetes. This is definitely is the best. Look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me? You can just see the power. That's insane. Check this out. That's incredible. It feels like an axe. It doesn't feel like machete. Let's keep on going. See how thick we can get right here. Okay, let's see if I can go all the way through now. I missed it. Still have to chop it more. Easier to flip it over. Nice. What's so nice about high quality machetes? I don't see any problems with the blade. It's still very sharp. This one is not going anywhere. In case I'll need it, for sure. Keep it in here. Well, huge thanks to Top Knives. Amazing. If I ever like destroy it completely, I'll definitely buy another one.